Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a cute little bottle here. We're going to add some undercover primer from Paint Pixie. And we're just going to get it all over the bottle and we're going to dry it really, really well. We're going to add this turquoise paint, which is from Waverly. I'm going to see if I can find the color for you guys on that. I love this color. Anyway, you're going to do a black line going all the way across. The color is Lagoon. We're going to do a black line halfway around the bottle. And then we're going to paint black going down the bottle. Can y'all guess what we're making? Can you guess what we're making? I don't think you can. Anyway, we're going to add black going down the bottle. And then we're going to come back in after we dry it. We're going to come back in and I'm just touching it up with some of the turquoise. I got too much black down there, so we're just touching that up. This turned out so adorable, you guys. It's just a fun little bottle to create. You need more than one color of turquoise, so I've added several colors here. This is a Paint Pixie paint, and the color is Watermelon Rind. And then we're adding some white to it, and we're just going to do some highlights on this. And we're just, these blend so well. I add water to it here and there, and they just blend really, really well. So I like the Paint Pixie paints for blending. We're going to add some black above that. We're just going to blend that right on in there. Just have fun when you're creating, guys. Just have fun. I have so much fun when I'm creating, even if I'm in here by myself creating these videos and doing all the things. Mr. Randy's trying to show me something. You guys could probably see that in the background. But anyway, I love to get alone and create. I mixed a couple colors together for the nose. I used, let's see, we used chai latte, and we also used cotton candy and a little bit of white to make this color, the skin tone color. And we're just putting that little nose on there. Now you guys know what we're making now? I'm sure you do. We added a little bit of candied papaya at the bottom, and we're just kind of blending those in just to give it an extra little shade underneath it. It will add some color to it. And I'm going underneath the nose and adding like a gray color. I don't know if you guys can hear the ball game in the background. Mr. Randy's got the ball game on. Anyway, we're going to add that gray around that, and then we're going to go in with some black around the nose. We're just doing all kinds of little highlights and little lines for shading and all the things. I decided that needed to be a little bit lighter, so I started adding more paint to it. And until I get it right, I just keep going, you guys. And we're going to add a little bit of, I went and got some of the pool color from Waverly and added to this as well. Okay, and then back to the nose we go with the black again. And then I'm going to start adding my beard on here, you guys. Just little white strokes here and there. And the reason I did the black is because that is an undercolor that you can see that kind of comes through. It just makes your hair look more like hair when you do like white hair. Like if you're doing Santa or something like that. But anyway, I'm just going to keep fiddling with it until I get all the white down there the way I want it. And let me tell you, it was a chore. Hair is a hard thing to paint. So you just have to keep going after it until you, and just work with it until you decide that it's right for you. And I just kept going and kept going and kept going. And then I went in with a smaller brush and added some black lines, some gray lines, and I just kind of tweaked it here and there until I got what I wanted. Then off we go back to the hat again. We're going to add some of that watermelon rind above the hat, above that brim of the hat. I say brim, but this is more like a stocking hat. And then once I do that, we go back in with some black down here. I just kind of skip around. Just kind of skip around. Whatever my eye sees, then that's what I mess with. But anyway, we're going to add some polka dots to this bottle. And I just went all the way around the bottle. And what I do is I do it in a triangle so that they're evenly spaced. You want your dots to be evenly spaced. But I just went all the way around the whole entire bottle just to give the bottle in the back something instead of it just being pretty on the front. But I really love the way this turned out. It's super cute. If you guys like gnomes, you should like this. I think it's really adorable. I don't do a whole lot of gnome stuff, but when I do, I like it to be something cute. And we're just going to paint away here. And I thought this turquoise was a perfect color for the upcoming spring. And I don't know. I just get tired of all the... I just want something different. I want to break away and do something spring or something summer, because those are my months. But anyway, you guys, here's the completed bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had such a good time. My sister's the one that told me to add the bow. But anyway, I love y'all, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Share this out if you will. Have a great day.